Hi everyone, this is Shilpita Mukherjee, and here I am to discuss chapter 18 of the book The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. The discussion here shall focus on how your subconscious removes the mental blocks. No matter what, we all know that every solution lies within the problems. The best procedure is to assume that infinite intelligence within our subconscious mind knows all and sees all, has the answer, and is revealing to us right now. Such an attitude of mind would bring order, peace, and meaning to all our undertakings. Coming to the first leg of our discussion here is how to break or build a habit. We should always remember that habit is the function of our subconscious mind. We are free to choose a good habit or a bad habit. Once we repeat a negative thought or an act over a period of time, we will be under the compulsion of a habit. When our attention wanders, we should always try to bring it back to the contemplation of our good or goal. Making a habit of this shall lead to disciplining the mind. To form a new habit, we must be convinced that it is obviously desirable. Secondly, the question comes how to break a habit. The idea of being powerless operates as a powerful suggestion to our subconscious mind and aggravates weaknesses, making our life a succession of failures. When the desire to give up the bad habit is greater than your desire to continue, you are 50% healed already. Generally, there are steps to remove the mental blocks. The first being getting still, quietening the wheels of mind, and entering into a sleepy, drowsy state and calming the mind. The second one being taking a brief pause which can readily be graven onto the memory and repeating it over and over as a lullaby so that it can be instilled onto our minds. Last but not the least, just before going to sleep, appreciating the things around us. We should always remember when fear knocks at the door of our mind, we should let faith in God. Eventually, all things good open the door. Your imagination took you to the bottle, let it take to your freedom, imagining that you are free. When fear knocks at the door of your mind, or when worry, anxiety, and doubt cross your mind, behold your vision and your goal. Don't get into a dilemma. Think of the infinite power within your subconscious mind which you can generate by thinking and imagining, and this will give you confidence, power, and courage. Keep on, persevere until the day breaks and the shadows flee away. For having an idea about how to use the power of your subconscious mind to remove fear, watch our next video and stay tuned. Thank you.
Hi RR, I hope you must have liked our initiative of chapter-wise explanation of diverse novels. Thank you guys for all your love and support as we hit our first 300 plus subscribers. Please like and share this video and do subscribe to our channel to stay updated for the videos we upload on every Saturday and Sunday at 7 p.m. Thank you and have a good day.